Hey y'all, this your girl Tiana, like only be me, and I am coming at y'all with a good little quick little dessert. First of all, let me say welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all my faithful loyal family members. Y'all, today what we're gonna be making is a Kool-Aid pie. I never had this before, but I sure enough heard about it. Okay, I done heard everybody talk about it, talk about how good it is, talk about how they slap their mom for it and everything else. So let me see what the hype is all about. So the ingredients that you're gonna need is some graham crackers of your choice. That's gonna be for the crust, or you can buy you a pre-made graham cracker crust. You're gonna need you some Cool Whip of your choice. You're gonna need a can of condensed sweetened milk of your choice, and you're gonna need you some butter. And you're gonna need a pack of Kool-Aid of your choice. We're gonna be trying the strawberry lemonade. I have heard that the orange one from two different people. They say that the orange one is the best one. So we gonna see. I don't know. We just gonna try out this little strawberry lemonade one and see what it's working with. Okay, but yeah, all right. So let's get into this video, y'all. All right. So first thing first, what we gonna do is we're going to get a pack of these graham crackers and we just going to crush them up. Get them all crushed up in this bowl. And this is going to be for our crust. You make as much crust as you like. I know me. I'm a crust girl. I love crust, y'all. Okay. So if you like crust, then you make your crust as thick or as thin or as much as you would like, okay? But yeah. So I'm guessing that this one pack will be enough. And I got some cinnamon ones. You could sweeten up yours if you want to, but I'm not. I'm going to add some butter to this. And this was only one stick of butter. And then we just going to get all this right here mixed together. And what the butter is going to do is it's going to start. First of all, it's going to soften the graham crackers. And it's going to bring them together. You know, to make them tight. Like they need to be. And we're going to get this pressed into the pan. Yes. So I'm mashing until I feel I got every last bit of those, not breadcrumbs. If I said breadcrumbs, y'all forgive me. The graham crackers. Every last bit of the graham crackers mashed together. Okay. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pan right here. And I'm just going to get these crumbs. And we're going to press this. Maybe mine just a little bit too wet. Let me get a little bit more. I'm going to get a few more crackers and add it to this, y'all. Hold up. About 2-3 more crackers. Alright, so I got 2 more crackers. And we're just going to mix this in because I don't think that it should be as wet as I got it. So we're going to make the... You know how when you buy a graham cracker crust? I guess that's why I just changed my mind about how wet it is. But I think I'm about to go with it from here. Okay. So yeah, get all that crumbled up. And they say that you only need to let this sit for about 2 hours. So we're gonna see. Tastes good to me. Alright. Now we're gonna get that in now. And we're just gonna press it, spread it out. And press it down into the pan. Now y'all, I kind of think that I want to add some more. Because like I said, I like graham cracker. I do. But guess what? I might be, let me see, hold up. Since I like graham cracker, y'all, I think I just might be a little extra. Y'all know, Tiana got to make things her own sometimes. You know, a lot of times. Okay. So we're going to press this him in the bottom. Getting creative now, y'all. Okay. And then we're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. All right, y'all. I think I done just dealt with myself for a second. Okay, I was about to be extra. I'm not gonna be extra. We finna do this pie just like they like it. Okay, and then, or well, how it's supposed to be made, and then maybe if I like it next time, I'll make it different. All right, so we're gonna take our tub of Cool Whip, and we're gonna dump that in the bowl. Like so. Just like that. Then you're gonna take your can of condensed milk and dump the contents of that right in with this. Right in there. Yeah. Y'all might want to try something like this for your little, your table or whatever, your holiday table. You never know. Make you some cute little pies. Okay, so now you're going to take your packet of Kool-Aid. And then we just going to dump that. Ooh. Right on in there. And I'm just going to take me a fork. I'm not gonna taste it yet. Okay, so it looks like it's getting a little bit darker. Okay. Y'all look at that. Make sure I get all this. It's pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. All right. So now that we got that. Okay. So now you're going to take your crust. And then you're just going to put your filling in the crust. Like that. Can't help myself. Y'all, I'm amazed. I'm really amazed. Wow. This good, y'all. Come on over here behind that smoke hill. Come on, I'm behind the smoke on the green court in the middle. Wow. So now, oh, I can imagine this being real good with that crust, honey. So now we're just gonna mash this down like this. And try to make it look cute. Okay. Yeah, honey. Look at that sugar. Okay. So now this is the pie. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take that, cover it up with a little foil. Stick it in the refrigerator for about 2 or more hours. And then I'm gonna taste it and see what it tastes like. But I like it so far. And look at that. You got crust right there. Y'all, this is so pretty. Look at that. That is beautiful. Pretty little pink little pie. All right, y'all.